Well, hello, this is Rochelle and welcome to my channel. So yes, it's dark and rainy and wonderful weather that we're having. And I've been trying to film this video for a while now. There's just been no quiet time, and now when there's quiet time, there's rain and bad lighting. But nonetheless, I really do want to do this video, this unboxing quickly of these two new sets of LoveBird watercolors. The one is the Color Shift Trio and the other one is the Amor Trio, as in love, for the month of love. So let's jump straight into it. As always, the attention to detail with LoveBird watercolors is just beyond. And so I'm going to try the February Love one first. It has a stunning, rather opaque white that I'm going to show you. That would be on the blanche side. This iridescent one, which if you hadn't known, this is my all-time favorite. Used it in a few videos already, from a little sample size that I have, or sample dot that I have. And then of course the beautiful Rouge Intense. So let's get straight to it. My water is not super clean, I see. So testing the white, like I said, this white is really opaque, which for a watercolor is weird, but the great thing about that is that you can then use it instead of like your, which I had with me in a second ago. Oh, here it is. Winsor Newton ink. It's a very opaque white, as is Dr. P.H. Martin bleed proof white, which is also a really opaque white. But then, like I said, the splatters on this white, for instance, is just beyond. Alright, so if that's the white, let's get to the red. Beautiful, intense pigment. Oh my gosh, that is just absolutely gorgeous. And then let's jump straight into this unreal iridescent pigment. I can't, like, look at this. It is just simply out of this world. Oh my goodness, magic dust galore. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. Oh, that is very pretty. So that would be those three over there. I'm gonna just clean it. That is unreal. And then our Color Shift Trio. Let's jump straight into that one. Also comes in this gorgeous little tin. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Oh wow. Okay. So then this would be the next one. I'm guessing that would be Peacock, that would be Chameleon, and that would be Pink Sunset. So let's give this a go. These have got, I would assume, that same color shift that's in that magic dust or iridescent color in this one. And like I've said before, what you really experience with the LoveBird watercolor is the intensity of the pigment with just a little bit of water. So usually you have to work watercolor a little bit with water before it pays off. But I found that with the LoveBird watercolors you really just need a little bit to get that pigment activated and going. So I'm working on these for the very first time, so they are super dry, and I just added a little bit of water to it. Now to the eye this looks the same, but once it dries and you shift, you can definitely see the green pigments in there and the purple blue pigments in there. And let's have a look at this pink sunset. I am going to want to try these on black, so give me a second while I look for some black cardstock, because I do think that would be pretty phenomenal on black. I always find it the most hilarious when you're looking for color, can't find it. So let's test it out here in my notebook. It's got some black thick cardstock in. Let's give the chameleon a go. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Peacock. And then the stunning pink sunset. It almost looks like sweeties. Shall we try the magic dust too? And then I do want to give this white another go on a proper pink black paper. So yes, there we go. Thanks for watching.